Let's talk about reflection of light, dear students. Reflection of light की बात करेंगे. We have taken the example of surface, that is plain smooth surface. ठीक है? We have taken the example plane mirror. We have taken plane mirror. Through this plane mirror, we will understand how the reflection of light is and how the light is going from one medium to another medium or bouncing back into the same medium. We will see through this diagram. Dear students, what exactly the plane mirror is? It is the plain glass sheet. क्या है ये? Plain glass sheet जिसको हमने कोटिंग किया हुआ है with the silver और aluminium. Aluminium या silver की कोटिंग की है. This is a plain glass sheet. What is the plane mirror, dear students? This is the plain glass sheet that is coated with the silver or aluminium. Now, dear students, when any light is falling on this plane mirror, so let us suppose here is the light that is falling. This is the light ray, one light ray. Okay, so this name given to this light ray is incident ray. What exactly the name of this light ray is? Incident. When any light falling on the plane mirror on the surface, this ray is called incident ray. What is the name given to this is incident ray. So जो भी light fall करेगी plane mirror पे, that will be incident ray. Is it clear to all of you? Now, dear students, clear? This is falling at a point on the plane mirror. So this point, this particular point is called point of incidence. Point of incidence. Now, dear students, at this point of incidence, we are drawing a perpendicular. Okay? Should be? Yes, definitely. I'll tell you after that. We are talking about some terms now. ठीक है? Related to it. उसके बाद हम laws की बात भी करेंगे. Definitely, we will talk about the laws also. So, dear students, at this point of incidence, what are we doing? We are drawing a perpendicular that is called normal. Okay. So, this perpendicular we are drawing at the point of incidence. So, what is the name given to it? Is normal. So, we are calling it as normal. So, definitely the incident ray and at the point of incidence, the normal. Now, dear students, the light is bouncing back. Okay. Going back to the same medium. So from which it is coming. So bouncing back of light, we are calling it as reflection of light. So when we are talking about bouncing back, so this light ray which is bouncing back is called reflected ray. Okay, this is reflected ray. So incident ray, normal, reflected ray. Okay, the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence and it is denoted by I. What is the name of this angle? Angle of incidence. So between incident ray and normal. तो incident ray normal के साथ जो भी angle बनाती है, that is angle of incidence. क्या है वो? Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Now, dear students, the angle made by reflected ray with the normal के साथ reflected ray जो भी angle बनाती है, that is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. So denoted by R. Okay. So these are some terms that we are going to use in laws of reflection. So my dear students, reflection of light, incident ray, normal, reflected ray, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, point of incidence, plane mirror, and this surface is also called boundary. या फिर हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरफेस. Interface or boundary it is called. Done? Clear to all of you? Let's move further. No, normal is not at the center. Where the ray is falling, जो भी light ray, incident ray जहां भी fall करेगी, वही normal होगा. Okay? Clear? अरमान, जहां भी ray fall करेगी, वही normal होगा. 100 rays are falling, तो 100 point of incidence होंगे और 100 ही उनके लिए रिस्पेक्टिव नॉर्मल्स होंगे. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? Yes, Udina, definitely this is the question. So it will be cleared in the laws. Definitely, dear students, when we talk about the laws of reflection, so this particular light is following the certain rules or laws. रूल्स फॉलो करती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइट इज कमिंग एंड गोइंग रेंडमली हियर एंड देयर. इट इज नॉट गोइंग रेंडमली. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि लाइट ने फॉल किया मिरर पे और हियर एंड देयर इट इज जस्ट गोइंग. इट इज फॉलोइंग सर्टेन रूल्स. ओके, कुछ रूल्स फॉलो करती है जिसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. These are laws of reflection. Some set of rules the light is following. These rules are called laws of reflection. Now, dear students, if I'm talking about the very first law, what exactly the definition? What exactly the law is? It is incident ray. You are very well aware of incident ray, the ray that is falling on the mirror. Okay, incident ray, normal, and reflected ray lie on the same plane. Lie on the same plane. So this is about first law, dear students. Yes, please. You can ask in the chat. So dear students, whenever I'm talking about incident ray, the ray that is falling on the mirror, the normal and the reflected ray, these three lie on the same plane, means these three lie on the same two-dimensional surface. What is the meaning of plane? That is two-dimensional surface, like the wall is two-dimensional surface. Okay, so any surface that is two-dimensional surface is a plane. तो इंसिडेंट रे, नॉर्मल और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे तीनों ही एक ही प्लेन पे लाई करेंगे. These all three lie on the same plane. For example, dear students, I have this ray. Okay, let us suppose this is incident ray. Monit, we are just understanding the concept. Just wait. First law हमने डिस्कस किया अभी. I'm explaining that one. ठीक है. This is the normal, incident ray, reflected ray. These three lie on the same plane. ये तीनों एक ही plane पे होंगे. Should be on the same plane, dear students. This is the first law. If I'm talking about the second law says angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection always. Always. Angle of incidence, you are aware of. क्या होता है angle of incidence, dear students? Angle between the incident ray and normal. What is the angle of reflection? Angle between the normal and reflected ray. तो जो एंगल इंसिडेंट रे नॉर्मल के साथ बनाती है उसको एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस बोलते हैं. जो एंगल रिफ्लेक्टेड रे नॉर्मल के साथ बनाती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. इट शुड बी वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू कि जो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस है वो इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल के साथ होता है. यू कैन राइट इट as theta 1 and theta 2 according to the diagram. क्या है? theta 1 theta 2. So we can also write it as theta 1 is equal to theta 2. ठीक है. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Clear about the laws? These are two laws. First law क्या कहता है कि incident ray, normal, reflected ray same plane पे lie करते हैं. Second law, what is it saying? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Am I right?